Welcome, friends. I'm Harsh Singh. So let's discuss the editorial of the Indian Express newspaper. And today's date is 21st October. And first page पे even before we move on to the editorial page, the first page पे ही लिखा हुआ है that Liz Truss has resigned. अब तक आपने न्यूज़ में सुना ही होगा इस चीज़ को. And now Rishi Sunak has a chance to become the Prime Minister of UK. So we wish him all the best. Now let's scroll down to the editorial page. Now, as always, let's begin with the quotation. And this is a wonderful quotation by Karl Marx. In proportion as the repulsiveness of the work increases, the wage decreases. And this has direct correlation with the first editorial. Death of a worker, ये जो है some workers have died. It is trying to describe that. तो जितने खराब काम हैं उनके लिए पैसे और भी कम मिलते हैं, या जितने मुश्किल काम हैं फिजिकल लेबर वाले या अनस्किल्ड वाले उनके लिए पैसे और कम मिलते हैं. एंड इन दिस एंटायर आर्टिकल बेसिकली इसमें ये कहा है दैट फीफा हैज अवॉर्डेड द वर्ल्ड कप to the Gulf kingdom called Qatar, and Qatar is here. Now right side में हमारा भारत देश है, and then this is Qatar. So this is the small country to which so many workers from India go. और इस पूरे एडिटोरियल में यही बताया गया है that how to tackle the issue of protecting the rights of migrant workers, especially those workers who are going from India to abroad. मतलब especially the Gulf countries, because as it points out that most of the workers that go there are semi-skilled or unskilled, unlike the workers who go to United States and Europe जो कि technocrats होते हैं. Here most of them are semi-skilled and unskilled. और यहाँ पे 2-3 problems highlight किए हैं. First is in the Gulf countries unionization is prohibited. मतलब यहाँ वहाँ पे ये बेचारे लोग जब जाते हैं तो यूनियन भी नहीं बना सकते. Second चीज highlight की है that the role of the Indian embassy must be more proactive in reaching out to these migrant workers, because ऐसा तो काफी बार हम लोग न्यूज में पढ़ चुके हैं that many migrant workers from India, from different states in India are going there to the Gulf countries and they are being exploited. वहाँ पे उन लोगों के साथ धोखा होता है बहुत बारी. And one solution which this editorial points out is that in the state of Kerala they have already started some initiative which they call Norca Routes, which offers personal accident insurance and critical care. So government is providing them these services. So other states in India should try to do something similar, because ultimately जो migrant workers वहाँ पे गए हैं somebody has to help them, because ultimately as the article rightly points out that they have contributed 25 billions. These semi-skilled and unskilled workers are the real patriots of India. They are sending so much of foreign exchange to India, so indirectly they too are helping India. So the government in every state in India should do something about them, depending upon किस state से कितने ज़्यादा लोग जा रहे हैं. तो द अर्जेंसी शुड बी डिटर्मिन्ड बाय दैट. अगर कुछ स्टेट्स से ज़्यादा जा रहे हैं देन दोज स्टेट्स इन इंडिया शुड अर्जेंटली एक्ट एंड ट्राई टू हेल्प देम. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एट द इंटरनेशनल लेवल गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कैन गेट इन टच विद द गल्फ कंट्रीज एंड स्पेशली कतार, बिकॉज कतार के साथ तो ठीक ठाक ही रिलेशंस हैं इंडिया के, खराब नहीं हैं. तो इंडिया शुड यूज इट्स डिप्लोमेटिक heft to protect the interests of migrant Indian workers. Now, in the next editorial, this is basically about the flight of foreign currency from India and other emerging markets. और रीज़न क्या बताया गया है दैट इन्फ्लेशन जो है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में, यूरोजोन में एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज इज हाई. एंड हाई इसलिए है बिकॉज यूक्रेन वॉर इज देयर, वॉलेटिलिटी इज देयर, ऑयल प्राइसेज आर राइजिंग. देन ओपेक का भी इसमें हानि आ जाती है दैट दे आर ट्राइंग टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोडक्शन एंड फर्दर इंक्रीज द प्राइसेस ऑफ ऑयल. सो फ्रॉम एन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू व्हाट यू कैन गेट इज, यहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट की बात करते हैं लोग. सो दे कैन आस्क यू what constitutes current account and how is current account deficit calculated, and they can also ask you in a objective type or MCQ based question what is the relation between interest rate hikes, inflation and flight of capital, मतलब flight of foreign exchange जो इंडिया से जा रहा है आजकल, not just from India but from all emerging markets. It is going back to United States and other countries. Those central banks there are raising interest rates. So as it happens, money only goes there where interest rates are high, where the returns will be higher and where investors find confidence. Now अगला आर्टिकल जो है editorial में, basically this is just a study which was done in the Cell journal, and the study indicates that some कुछ लोगों का खून जो है मीठा होता है because as it happens that some of us always say that मच्छर मुझे ज्यादा काटता है, अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है then you might be right, because this is what this study is saying, that कुछ लोगों का जो केमिकल सिक्रीशन होता है उनके स्किन में, मॉस्किटोज गेट अट्रैक्टेड to these chemicals that are secreted, जो smell ही होता है because of that, and that is what induces these mosquitoes to bite these people more. खून तो जनरली मीठा नहीं होता, लेकिन होता क्या है कि स्किन में जो केमिकल्स होते हैं, those chemicals induce these mosquitoes to bite those people. और हम लोग को हमेशा यही लगता है that मेरा मीठा खून है इसीलिए मुझे मच्छर काटता है. So to some extent yes, this is true, because this is what the study has found, that some people are more prone to being bitten by mosquitoes. Now after that, the next article in the editorial page is on the global hunger index. Now recently आपने पढ़ा ही होगा that the rank of India has fallen to 107 rank. पहले 101 था, अब गिर के और खराब हो गया रैंक. Now what this lady says, or the writer says, and also the government of India has also pointed this out, that ये जो methodology इन लोगों ने यूज की है, this is somewhat flawed. इन लोगों का तरीका जो है हंगर इंडेक्स निकालने का, it is based on a very small sample size पे ये लोग कर रहे हैं, and somewhat it is not accurate. This is what the stand of the government of India has been, and this is also which this lady, who is a professor of sociology, this is what also she is saying, and she also quotes Amartya Sen, who in the 1990 uttered a similar sentiment, that ये जो human development indexes हैं and all of these different indexes that we have, इनकी reliability क्या है, how reliable they are. So from an exam point of view आपसे क्या पूछ सकते हैं ये लोग, that who releases global hunger index, who releases this, or who compiles this. पहले तो ये सवाल बन सकता है एक MCQ टाइप से. उसके बाद बन सकता है this lady also talks about other indices, for example हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस इंडेक्स, कामनेस इंडेक्स. सो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप एग्जाम में इन सब पे MCQs बन सकते हैं. सो यू शुड नो हु रिलीजेज ऑल ऑफ दीज, बिकॉज हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस इंडेक्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स, दिस इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड फ्रॉम अ आंसर राइटिंग परस्पेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव आंसर राइटिंग ये हो सकता है that how reliable are the estimates which different indices give us in terms of the data which they refer to, in terms of the sample size, how reliable are they. और जो स्टार्टिंग वाला आर्टिकल मैंने आपको डिस्कस किया था, डेथ ऑफ अ वर्कर, नाउ इस पे क्या क्वेश्चन बन सकता है? इस पे तो एक MCQ डायरेक्टली बन सकता है, that who is hosting the World Cup of 2022, and they can also ask you who will be hosting the next World Cup, when will the next World Cup be held. So जब भी आप पेपर पढ़ना, then try to imagine what kind of questions can be framed. You shouldn't read paper only for the sake of reading paper, but acquiring some kind of knowledge which will ultimately help you later on. Now whether it be MCQ type questions or whether it be subjective type answer writing, क्या क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, क्योंकि लगभग इन्हीं सब चीजों से क्वेश्चन बनता है, चाहे वो IAS एग्जाम में हो, चाहे वो स्टेट PCS हो. Of course, as I said, that don't forget this brilliant quotation by Karl Marx: in proportion as the repulsiveness of the work increases, the wage decreases. And the last article in today's editorial is sunflowers in the field. Now इसमें basically ये है, a few days back what happened was, in the National Gallery in London, few activists threw oil on a painting. मतलब तेल उन्होंने फेंक दिया था. Of course the painting was protected inside glass, so कुछ डैमेज नहीं हुआ उसको. एंड व्हाई दीज पीपल डिड दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क वाज दैट दे आर सेइंग, आर यू मोर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ अ पेंटिंग और द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द प्लैनेट एंड पीपल? मतलब दीज आर बेसिकली fighting for climate change and all the other issues which have a direct relevance for human beings today, rather than just painting or art. These people were saying. But as the writer of this article points out, that art cannot solely be judged by how relevant it is for day-to-day life. And from an exam point of view, दो क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं इसमें से. He points out two forms of art from Tamil Nadu and Kerala. One is Therukuttu of Tamil Nadu, and from Kerala, Chakyar Kuttu. Okay, so Chakyar Kuttu from Kerala and Therukuttu in Tamil Nadu. Now I'll just show you what Therukuttu is and what Chakyar Kuttu is. Now Therukuttu basically where the spectator is part of the spectacle. So आपसे ये पूछ सकते हैं, whether it be in state PCS or IAS, what are the features of Thirukuttu. So this you should know. After that, Chakyar Kuttu. Now Chakyar Kuttu, if you go on the website of Department of Cultural Affairs, Government of Kerala, यहाँ पे mention किया हुआ है what exactly is Chakyar Kuttu. See, I'll just read out the information. That in Chakyar Kuttu, the entire story is presented by a single performer. पहला तो component ये है. उसके बाद the costumes are that of a court jester, facial makeup होता है. And basically ये करते क्या है इसमें? The highlights of Chakyar Kuttu is a satire and social criticism. Basically ये है. That is why this writer has mentioned this in this article. That not just art for the art's sake, but हाँ art वैसा भी होता है that something which engages in social criticism, that is also art. So he just points out two forms of art from the Indian subcontinent, more specifically from the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So just remember that whenever you read newspaper, उसे दो point of view से देखना. एक MCQs क्या बन सकते हैं, क्या नहीं बन सकते. After that, objective type answer writing में कैसे मदद करें. And of course, if possible, note down the quotation or important quotes. So with this, I wind up and let's meet tomorrow.